How do you protect your blog posts from getting ripped off? In this video, I'm going to discuss the copyright application for short online literary works. It's an application that allows you to file a number of blog posts into a single application. It is a bit tricky because of the requirements, but I just want to walk through some of the requirements to make sure you understand what you can file for. So you can file for, you have to have at least 2 of them, otherwise you would just file a regular application. But 2 and up to 50 of them can be filed in a single application. So this really gives an online blogger a real advantage, because in most other cases, you would have to file those as separate applications and pay the filing fee each time, whereas here you're allowed to get up to 50 in a single application. So you can really have a significant saving there. But there are some requirements. It has to be between 50 and 17,500 words. It had to first be published as part of a website. And it also only covers things like poems, short stories, articles, essays, columns, blog entries, social media posts is also considered on it. But it does not include computer programs, podcasts, emails, the whole website, compilations, and collective works. There's a circular on the Copyright Office that talks a little bit more about this, about what can be part of it, a little more information. This is actually the screen for when you're logged into the copyright application to file it. They make you read through this and check off that you agree that your application meets those standards. A few things to know is that when you do file, you're going to have to file a Excel spreadsheet, that's really a pain to put together, that has all these listings in it of each of the different 2 to 50 entries that you're filing, with how many words are in it, the date that it was first published. They all have to be within 3 months of each other. That's another requirement that it doesn't talk about here, but I believe that's in this circular. Talks about that. The works first published online within a 3-month calendar period. So you can do as many, up to 50, that were within that 3-month period, but if you didn't blog regularly, then you might not be able to file as many in a single application. There's, I'll put a few of these links, but this web page here gives you a lot of information about it. You can even get to the videos that walk you through how to file these, because it is a little complex, as I said, because you do have to name things a specific way. You need to zip file everything that's being deposited with the USPTO, but you also have to create that Excel spreadsheet, which the USPTO, the Copyright Office, not the USPTO, has a standard form that you can use, which is helpful, because then it makes some of the information that you need to fill in a little bit easier with the way it works. Plus, it'll alert you if either you have too many words, or if the publication dates are not all within the 3-month period. It'll let you know that. So links will be below. If you like information like this, feel free to please subscribe below, and feel free to always reach out to us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching,